Well, we built something called High-Rise Studio. And High-Rise Studio lets anyone build any game or any experience using our APIs and kind of a plug-in to Unity, and then deploy it directly into High-Rise. And so what we're trying to do there, our mission at a high level is to connect the world through shared experiences. What we're trying to do there is create a platform with infinite shared experiences that are designed and developed by our community. And so our community can build those games and experiences, they can deploy them into High-Rise, they get paid for them, they can charge for things and content inside of those experiences. And so we've just been leaning more and more heavily into UGC, user-generated content, and effectively competing pretty directly with Roblox, but with a very different kind of angle and perspective. You know, we have a couple million monthly active users. Our audience tends to be older, it tends to be female. Our experiences tend to be more accessible, more casual. And think like Animal Crossing or Farmville or something like that. And so, yeah, that's what High-Rise is. And what it's kind of evolving into, this platform, this very social platform with infinite experiences built by our community, built by users, built by creators.
This, and I'm trying to get my head around all like the possibilities and opportunities within that platform as well. I mean, you guys must every day think, oh, we could try this, we could try that. It must be a pretty exciting time to be involved with this, right?
It's super exciting. Yeah. So we launched High-Rise Studio at the end of March in public beta. So it's only been live for a couple months, and we're moving very, very quickly. You know, every couple weeks we're releasing something huge. Like, for example, last week we released the Persistence API, which lets any creator store data at the world level or user level about a user. So if you want to make a leaderboard, or you want to make progress, or you want to make XP, whatever, you just use our storage API, Persistence API to do that. This week we're rolling out another massive update around our avatar system, and kind of flexible and customizable avatars. So it's just super, super exciting. And I think what's most thrilling for me is watching creators who, our core philosophy is that our creators come from our community. They understand High-Rise, they know High-Rise. And then what happens is they tend to learn the tools, even though they have some level of complexity. So what I'm seeing is, 20-year-old women picking up Unity, learning it, because they want to build something for themselves and for their community, and actually becoming developers who are getting paid. Which to me is is the most rewarding thing I can imagine.
Well, you're creating careers for people. You're creating livelihoods for people.
Totally.
It's unbelievable.
It feels amazing, honestly. And seeing some of these creators who are on the platform who have really leaned in and have started to make something, actually make income, has been so cool.